What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube. Anyways, the boy is back, so let's get straight into the video. Today was CPI news, so I decided to record myself trading live and how my thought process would be before the trade, before CPI and after and everything. So I'm starting this video with showing you guys me analyzing the market live after the trade had played out, and then I'm going to do a trade breakdown for you guys. So make sure to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So yeah, what I see for we have CPI in less than, let me quickly refresh this. We have CPI in less than 3 minutes. And what I see for CPI actually, I see GBP actually buying into this level. Then maybe I would love to see some sales from this level. So what I would love to see would be something like this, but then it's just speculation. I won't be trading CPI because it's a very high volatile news. Then I also want to see this for on ADS for price totally spike here and then drop. Then on Euro USD, I would actually like to see price actually buy. So actually sell to buy, but then it's not doing that exactly at the moment. So I may not really engage in this again. Price actually just like buy then sell, right? So then if price triggers 15 minutes before the news and 15 minutes after the news, 15 minutes after the news when I'm looking to engage, if price has not triggered any of my entries. Then on gold, what can I see on gold? On gold, what I'm seeing is you actually want to see gold actually like dive up, then crash for CPI. And I'm very bearish on dollar. Actually want dollar to like sell, buy to sell what immediately actually just sell off, actually like target this lows here, like we may end up seeing that play out. So yeah. What's up, guys? So yeah, quick update on the trade, right? As you can see, GBP USD played out according to our plan. Price spiked up here, and so it didn't get to our entry, but it actually took out the liquidity. So yeah, which was very, very fine. ADSD, which was a nice win. This was the one I engaged myself in. Like as you can see, price stepped into our entry, triggered us, and we took the trade. TP smacked overall. I got out at 3R, but TP got smacked overall. Euro USD. I also took Euro USD, right? You can see Euro USD played out according to plan. CPI spike price into the highs, induced a lot of people, induced a lot of breakout traders, right? Then trapped people that, okay, price swept this high and wanted to sell, right? Right now, what the price we came to the entry triggered us. Right now, this trade is break even, right? It's risk free. This trade is currently risk free. So in case price actually like reverses back down to take us out, it'll be a break even trade. But my TPs at this level, I'm just few people hitting take profits. So yeah, that's the update. Then gold didn't do much, right? So yeah, gold didn't do much. I had an entry here, gold didn't get there. So I still have this entry on gold. I'm still gonna hold the entry. The entry is still quite valid for now. So yeah, this is basically an analysis on DXY, which was sponsored. Um, my Euro USD move. You can see DXY is actually playing at this level right now. Wanted it to sell from here. So I still would love to see. Sorry guys, let me just do this. I still would love to see DXY. Where's my arrow to? Where's my arrow? I can't find my arrow, guys. Anyways, I would still would love to see DXY actually like sell more. Like I want to see it sell more. Right. I don't know why it's actually buying right now. That means Euro is be selling. But yeah, this trade is risk free. I break even once price gets to 2R. Yeah, I break even once price gets to 2R. So yeah, that's basically the trade. I'm still holding the trade. I have an alert here to tell me that price has hit my take profits. So yeah, no FOMO, guys. No fear. I'm holding the trade, fully your plan, and yeah, we are we're good to go. So yeah, that's the update on all the trades currently right now. That's the update. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what EURUSD does. So yeah, this was the AD/USD trade when I called it before and after it happened. Called the buys, then called the sales. Then this was, did I call GBP USD here? I think I called GU. I'm not sure. Okay, this was Euro USD. It was Euro USD. This was when I told them that I have my buy limit on Euro USD. Watching this, this was when I set it. Price left me, but still came back down. Regardless, I took the trade, and as you can see, I closed around here. I said I'm closing around here right now, but ideally I should have been break even. So regardless, but then I just decided to close the trade because I was like I wanted to be done for the day. Yeah, this was when I closed at this level here, right? Yeah. What's up, guys? The name is Ed Swings, and I'm here to give you guys a trade breakdown of the trade that I took for CPI news, which happened today on Tuesday, December 12th, 2023. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. So I have AD/USD here, right? So what do I do? First of all, I start on the daily time frame to find out my bias and my narrative and where I would likely be trading to and where we are coming from. So first thing I can see is price was at this fair value gap, respecting the fair value gap. We rejected once, rejected twice. So I knew that price obviously was looking to head to the downside. And this would have been my first draw on liquidity, right? That would have been my first draw on liquidity. So I knew that price was bearish. Now, not also, we were also respecting this daily order block here. So I'm just going to tap that there, order block. So this will help me on lower time frames to know that we are in a bearish, order flow. Sorry, guys, let me just keep that well. So right. Yes, order block daily time frame. Now jumping straight to the 4-hour time frame to get more detail. Um, what can I see? Now, fair value gaps are imbalances in price. So price will obviously come back there to trade into it and trade from it. So right now we're coming from the fair value gap. So I knew that we're using it as an institutional resistance. Now people were already selling from the fair value gap, right? So I needed some form of liquidity or an inducement to be taken before I enter my own sales. So I was looking for that. I didn't really get much interpretation from the 4-hour time frame. So I jumped straight to the 1-hour time frame. Now I want you guys to understand that what I am looking for on the 1-hour time frame to be able to take my sales for today to the draw on liquidity was and is I am looking for an inducement that is a trap. That is, I'm looking for people to be traders to be trapped. That is, I need people to already be in sales already. Then I need them to I need to find where their stop loss would be and then how to take their stop loss and then get my trade. So, and obviously I knew CPI was coming. So that was the perfect juice for my trade. So I just saw that if price actually, so this was a break of structure, right? That was a break of structure. If I take my Fibonacci from here to this lows, you see that this right here is the discount. Sorry, is the premium of the range. So people would actually be getting in sales from the breaker block. You have your breaker block here, right? So a breaker block in premium. So you get your sales here. Now, ideally, where's your stop loss meant to be once you enter from a breaker block? You enter from a breaker block. So this is me looking for a narrative, right? This is me looking for a narrative to get my sales off. And guys, this is how you have to do your analysis. If you can't spot the liquidity, then you are the liquidity. So I knew that people were actually going to be selling for me. This was a clear place. Your stop loss goes above the breaker block, right? So I knew that the breaker block was definitely liquidity. Now, above the breaker block, I could find an order block, right? I could find an order block. Now, that order block was what I was expecting CPI to jump into for the trade to be, for me to get my trade. So I knew that these people here would definitely be liquidity. And this was my whole ideology going into CPI. Now, these guys were already in profit, right? But their take profit would have been to take out this sell side liquidity right here. So this would have been their take profits. So yeah, they were in profit. I knew that okay, Now, patience. This is where time and price comes into my patience. So coming into the day, I was waiting for price. I was just patient. Um, I was patient waiting for the trade. So let me show you guys um something. So also with correlation, yeah, I also knew that I wanted to sell GBP USD. I wanted to buy the dollar to sell the dollar. So for the most part, I knew that at least we would sell. So I did not also use AED USD. I also added a little bit confluences that are in my trading plan. So yeah, this was the inducement for the trade. I found the POI above the inducement to use as my own entry, right? So these guys were already trapped. Now, mind you, people are already in this trade right now. That's what the trap means, right? So this is liquidity. This is where that stop loss is, right? So I had my entry just here. I had my entry just, sorry, let me just do that here. I had my entry just here, and I had my stop loss above the high, just somewhere there. And I was going for a 1, 2, 3. And obviously, you can see I hit a 1, 2, 3 real quick, and price dumped further. So I wanted to take out these lows. Obviously, long term, I'll probably be targeting here, but this was my intraday target. This was my intraday target. So yeah, it was actually achieved for a 6 hour, for a beautiful 6 hours. So yeah, that was the trade analysis going into today for AUD/USD. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your post notifications to get more videos like this. I wish you guys a lovely festive season. Head swings. Peace out, guys.